Understanding Heavy Smog, a guide for English learners. Hello, dear friends and English language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that often pops up in news reports and daily conversations, especially in big cities around the world. We'll delve into the meaning of heavy smog and use it in different contexts. Whether you're in London, Beijing, or Los Angeles, understanding this phrase will help you describe the air around you with ease. Heavy smog is a phrase composed of two words, heavy, which describes a large amount or intense degree of something, and smog, a type of air pollution. Smog is a blend of smoke and fog, which can reduce visibility and harm health. When we combine heavy with smog, we talk about a very dense or thick layer of smog that significantly affects an area. The term smog was first coined in the early 20th century and is a portmanteau, which is when two words are combined to create a new word. In this case, it merges smoke and fog to describe a common environmental phenomenon, especially in industrial and urban areas. Understanding the origins of the word can help learners remember its meaning and use it accurately. Heavy smog has a variety of effects on daily life and health. It can lead to reduced visibility, making it harder to see while driving or walking. Health-wise, it can cause or exacerbate respiratory issues, like asthma, and long-term exposure may lead to serious health risks. Discussing heavy smog can be crucial when talking about environmental issues and personal health. Let's put heavy smog into practice with some examples. The heavy smog today made it difficult to see the tops of the buildings downtown. Schools were closed due to the heavy smog that affected the city. Tourists found it hard to enjoy the views because of the heavy smog. Officials have issued health warnings due to the heavy smog conditions. Using heavy smog in different sentences like these will improve your fluency and help you communicate more effectively about environmental issues. I hope this video has helped you understand what heavy smog means and how to use it when speaking or writing in English. Remember, learning a language is like exploring a new world, and every new phrase is a step further in that adventure. Keep practicing, stay curious, and until next time, breathe easy and take care.